Hello everyone. I would like to quickly apologize because our audio is not synced in this video. But please, this is our solution for the Odoo India Hackathon. We are Team CodeCoffee, and we have built this ReWear to create a community of conscious fashion learners and give their clothes a new life, also for them to discover unique pieces. So, as you can see, this will be our landing page, and we will have a different lots of features. But first, let's get logged in. So first, I can go and I can get my email, and then I can also put in my password. And also, if we are not registered, we can create a new user, and we can enter the name, the email, password, and we can confirm the user will be created. So now let's get back to our login. So as you can see, I can put my email, I can put in the password, and I can log in. So welcome to our login screen, the landing page. As you can see, we have put it a very attractive and intuitive UI and giving a very pleasant effect. So moving on, we can see there is the text swap style sustain, which can be our tagline. Then, as we move below, we will have different sections where we can access the clothes for swapping, which I'll show shortly. So we can also swap by different categories based on the different categories of clothes uploaded. There will be a featured section that will have certain number of clothes which will be featured by some popular people or which will be trending currently. And then the latest items feed will be there, which will have the latest items that have been posted by people, different clothes that they have posted for swapping. So as you can see, the feed is ready. We can open any individual item, such as this purple hoodie here. It will have all the different kind of details about that hoodie. The size will be there. Its quality, it is currently new, so the quality is gently used, the user's details, and you can also request swap with that user if you want to. There is a certain description which is entered by that particular user. There will be reviews and there will be other guidelines which we will be giving for the swaps. So we have different kind of guidelines, such as the swap must be conducted within the first 3 days, and it should be done safely. So, and we'll also give a note that within the 3 days the swap should be conducted. That will be our policy. So moving on, you can see some of the other uploaded clothes as well, which are recommended here. So we can also request a swap right here. And as you can see, the three items that we have currently posted are visible here. So those can be used for swapping, and we can pick which we want to swap in exchange for the hoodie that we have seen. We can also put something like, hey, I am Adish. You can tell your terms, why you want to swap, how you want to swap. You can introduce yourself to the person. You can set a certain date, and also you can put in the preferred meeting location as well, based on your locality or based on your region. So after that is done, the request will be sent to that person, and they will be able to accept it, and you can move ahead with the swaps. So back again to our latest feed, you can see we can open all the different kinds of things which have been uploaded, the different kinds of clothes which have been uploaded, and everything is fetched directly from our database. Everything is dynamic. Everything is done in real time. And there will be reviews, there will be other things uploaded for each cloth that has been put up for swap. So that was our latest uploads feed. So moving on, we can now go to we can see, we can request swap from here as well, from the outside feed as well. So this was the latest items feed. This is our entire swapping experience. And next, we have come back to our the landing page. We can see if we want to put our own items up for swapping, then we can also do that by entering the name, such as suppose I have a green turtleneck and it's a men's wear category, and we I want to submit it for swapping. So I can enter the required details, and I can also enter a description, and everything will be sent back to our database. And let's say I also want to upload an image. So for that, we can upload the select an image and upload it. We have also put a tags part there, and going on to image, just a second, I'll be finding the image. And once you get the image, you can upload that image. It will also be stored, and it will be generated. This, as you can see, it has been sent to the database. Item has been added. Once we scroll down, we can see that it has been added. The image is there, and all the details that we just entered have all been added. You can see the size is there. You can see the image, and you can see the description also, which we just put. So it will be there alongside the entire feed in the latest feed section, and will be accessible by others. So we are providing both of these functionalities, whether you yourself can check out the app, you can see which clothes you want, and you can request swap with those people. Also, you can put your own clothes up for swap, and once you do that, the other people will be able to request you and will be able to send you requests for swapping with you. So this is our entire side for the user. Now, moving on to the dashboard, the user can see all of their own listings. So there will be different kinds of analytics available here for the user based on number of listings they have had, based on number of swaps which they have made, their own listings which are currently live right now, and which they've already conducted previously, along with some of the favorites which they have selected for other users, and some settings part which they can change there and manage their account and user details. So those features will be available for the user. Now, moving back, we will now see we have already seen the part of the user. Now we'll just go and see the owner or the administrator part of our application. So we can log in with the administrator email, and we can enter the password, which is ReWear at owner. And once we enter, we'll be logged in into the organizer or the admin side of the panel. So the admin will see exactly the same as the user, and will have an extra admin dashboard from which they can manage all of the different user interactions. They can manage the different types of user, different users which are present. Some of the users which have been reported, they can manage or remove them. They can manage the different order or swaps which are currently taking place. And they can also check the product listings which have been listed out currently. So they can also remove certain listings if there are certain offensive or those kinds of listings. So they can regulate and check all of that things in the admin dashboard. Everything will be visible here, which has been done recently. So that was the admin dashboard. And finally, thank you so much.